I would like to welcome you to the wilds of Delaware. This is the back of a shed like you've never seen before. The thick wilderness that has grown here has marveled many for centuries. As we now walk around this corner and into the yard of the residents here, you will see that they have a garden. And in this garden, there are many vegetables and fruits from cultures all over the world. As we approach the peach tree, you will see small seedling peaches hanging upon their branch, soon to ripen. What a marvelous world we live in.